Excuse all the background noise in the background. It's really busy in here. My name is Jeremiah Vegan. My name is Jeremiah Vegan. My name is Jeremiah Vegan. Did I mention my name is Jeremiah Vegan? I'm your host that does the most. As you can see, this is the place where you need to be. I'm a personal brand consultant and influencer marketing strategist that specializes in helping brands develop their online following as well as convert in more sales for small businesses. I manage influencers and YouTube channels and help people grow their business. And I am relaunching my brand this year, and I'm helping you launch yours. Today, we got a goodie. We got a goodie. We got a goodie. I'm going to talk to you guys about how to add a pop-up link to your YouTube channel. This is going to increase your subscriptions if you do this small hack that I'm going to talk to you guys about today. So what a lot of people do is when they're promoting their YouTube channel, they always give out the link to their YouTube channel. It's easier if you have a link to a YouTube channel that has a pop-up link because it automatically opts them in to subscribing. As you can see, once you click on the link, not only does it forward you to the YouTube channel, but it forwards them to subscribe. It's like a pop-up opt-in link, if you will. Soon as they go to the link, it will say confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to your YouTube? Subscribe to Jeremiah Vegan Entrepreneur. In this case, it would be yours, and then they would just more than likely subscribe instead of cancel. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to create that pop-up link. And what you can do with this, you can add this pop-up link into your blog, your website. You can forward it to people if they're asking for your channel link, and you can automatically get them to kind of subscribe and get them into them seeing your videos even more, okay? If they're already interested in clicking on your channel in the first place. Don't spam though, but this is just to help your subscriber rate and help you become more seen, okay? So let's get into it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in live sub counter, okay? Once you go to live sub counter, you're going to go to live sub counts, right? Click on that. And then this is an example of what it would look like. They are looking to help you become more of an influencer. They sell courses and stuff like that. So they automatically will try to get you to opt into that. But what you can do is you can go onto this page, and then you can get your link this way. So the way that you can do that is you type in your URL. Okay, let's use me for an example. I have a new channel, so it isn't big, but not yet. But this is what I tell my clients though. So you will put in on the lower left hand corner, you will put in your username, or your channel name. For this one, Jeremiah Vegan Entrepreneur. Click search, and it's going to give you your subscriber rate. And what you can do is you click on subscribe, and then it's going to prompt you into that form. Very simple. And then what you do after that is you take that link that they give you, and you just use it for your reference. And so whenever you want to embed this into a website, or you can send people this. What I like to do is email it to myself. See? As you can see, I sent in that link, typed in that link, and that subscribe opt-in link came up. I like to email it to myself so I can I can always have the reference towards it, and I can just send it people that way. All right. I hope that hacks help you. Actually, I know it helps you if you use it the right way. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Simple.